Guys, welcome to this video. And to this video I'll be showing you how to claim quick free crypto tokens worth $1 to $1,000 or more on the Islamic Coin Airdrop. So before I proceed, I'll if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations via the description of this video. So guys, let's proceed. So now you need to head over to your browser. Sorry guys, you need to have a description of this video and tap on the link. You see this link over here, this link. Just tap on this link, okay, this hackers.com referral link. Tap on the link. So let's wait. So now it says you'll be brought to this registration page. Receive a reward of 20 ISLM for registration and 10 ISLM for each friend referred. So what you need to do now, you need to input your first name. So let me say Oluwa Bayo. Then let me just input, for example, Oluwa, or let me just say, okay, Neymar Ijironye. Okay, then let me say Neymar Ijironye at gmail.com. Then let me pause this video and put the password. So guys, I'm done. Make sure the password is 8 characters, numbers, letters, and at least 8 character numbers, letters, and characters. Okay, then tap on continue. So now it says confirmation mail has been sent to name@gmail.com. Okay, so now let me head over and find the confirmation mail. Okay, so I can put the code in it so that I can verify my accounts on this platform. So let me quickly switch my accounts. Okay, so let me quickly switch my accounts. Okay, so right now hackers confirmation mail. So now just tap on confirm. Okay, tap on confirm, select your browser which you are using for your online activities. Accounts created. Congratulations, your account has successfully created. Okay, so now tap on check your ISLM bonus. So now I save. You have received 20 ISLM for signing up for or 30 for registration. This fund will be shown on the ISLM account below after the exchange launches and you complete the verification KYC. Invite a friend and earn extra 10 ISM for each friend registered. Okay, your friend will get that instead of 20 before the exchange launches. The number of verified users will be 0. So guys, right now what you need to do now, you just need to copy this. Okay, copy this link, then head over to your. Then you need to also head over to your profile. You need to tap on security. Okay, so as you can see now, you need to complete your KYC. Okay, so then tap on your profile. Then verification is on. I'm unverified. Okay, so you need to complete your KYC. So complete your KYC. Make sure you are verified. Then once the exchange launches, you just need to head over to the exchange. Then you just need to sign in and complete, as you can see as written over here. Just follow this process. So guys, that's how this work. Okay, so just make sure you refer more friends, keep referring friends to earn this coin. The Islamic token is now launched. Let me just show you the price. Islamic coin price, ISLM. Let me just show you the price. So as you can see, Islamic coin price, here is the price over here. So okay, so Islamic coin price, so here is the price. So as you can see, if you can just try accumulate these tokens, accumulate them. Once this exchange launch, you can sell this off to someone over here. I'll make further videos on this so that we will know how to go about this. So guys, that's how it works on this platform. So before I conclude, I appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaboration. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day, stay safe, and I love you. Peace.